See, look at here. If I show this yellow one, what do you have to do? You have to stand straight. Okay? If I show this one, what do you have to do? Jump. If I show purple one, stand your foot. Very good. If I show red one, stand straight like this. If I show yellow one, dance, keep on dance. Shall we start now? Are you ready? Ready? And the second color is coming white. And the third one, blue. Jump, 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 jump. Very good. Keep on jumping, keep on jumping. Jump, jump, jump. Fourth one, purple. And the last one, keep on punching. Don't stop, keep punching. And the last one is red.
Scene 7. Later, Maya sees him reading a book. Asha Didi wrote a poem about stars and teddy bears.
You write poems? I studied it. I also like reading English. I read Buddha.
Ouch! What's this? What's a cat doing in the tandoor?
How will I get it out of here? Donkey tries to get the cat out, but it's the cat's fault. Into the restaurant comes Mom and Dad, a regular customer. Donkey informs them about the problem. A cat out there.
Bring me a piece of chicken and some rani. Mom is taking me to get cooked. That is what we call a tandoor. So you all can know in North India